Welcome to the Nugget Shooter Journals. I'm Bill Southern, and over here we got Tammy.
Hello.
And Bruno, of course, Bruno eating sticks down there. And we're back off to our west again. Today I'm going to be hunting again with the GPZ 7000. And this is Minelab's biggest and bestest gold hunting machine. If you got a lot of deep areas with a lot of deep ground, it's a great machine to use. And I call it a specialty machine, but boy, it'll go deep and it'll hear small stuff really deep. And I really like this machine. And I'm going to show you later how to ground balance the machine. We do it a little different. You don't pump it up and down, you swing it side to side over a ferrite ring, which I'm wearing right here. And that's how you do the balance on this critter. So anyway, we're going to go down here and hunt this little area down here. Wish us luck, folks. Here we go. Well, good old Mother Nature whooped me gold hunting again today. And put in 3 hours or so. We didn't hunt real long. We're kind of relaxing this time. Tammy's fixing to whip up the Dutch oven here and make us some peach cobbler. I think she's going to do a video on it. Shadow over there. Okie dokie, yep. So, I said I was going to do some training, and I'll probably do that tomorrow. Just set up and stuff on the 7000, and go out and give it another shot tomorrow. But for today, I'm just relaxing. I'm done. I'm pooped. I can shoot her out for Friday, March 16th, I believe it is. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to run down a quick how-to to get started with this machine. I'm not going to go into super detail here, but I'm going to show you how to get this machine running. And I've got the headphones off right now so that you can hear what I'm doing. Okay? And with the headphones off, I carry this little guy right here. This is a wireless system, and my headphones plug right in there if I want them. And that way I can go without headphones if I want, maybe mount this up here. It just kind of gets in the way for me, and I prefer to wear headphones most of the time anyway. So anyway, we'll go up to the front of the buggy here, and we'll go over some quick settings on this thing. We can get the screen out of the sun. Just hold still here. Okay. Turn on the machine. It's pretty simple. Just hit the on button. And as the machine fires up, we're going to hit the mic button here in a minute. Or the wireless, I should say. Okay, when it comes up to this screen here, we're ready to turn this one on. And you simply push the button. And I'm sure you heard that. Sorry about the camera flipping around. Okay, you can clearly hear the threshold right now. Now, when you're first starting up with this machine, each one of these different settings is controlled by these functions here, and this function takes you back to the main menu. Okay, and then these are for personal settings, and we've also got a GPS on this machine, and it's just a really cool machine. All right, so we're in the first setting on the machine, and this is where we do our air tune and get the machine set up to go. So what we're going to do here is push this button because it's highlighted, and we're going to reset audio and detection settings because I'm going to start from the beginning with you here. And here we go. Now the machine itself is going through a whole bunch of different settings so that it can best adjust to the EMI, electrical magnetic interference. And once it finds the best spot, it's going to be done, and I'll be ready to set up the machine to hunt. And I hope you can see the screen okay. Okay, it's ready. Now, as you can see, it's prompting me to do a ground tracking with the machine. And the ground tracking with this machine is done with a ferrite ring that I'm going to place on the ground here. I know there's no targets here, I already checked. You're going to place this right on the ground. And there's a trigger in the back here. We pull this trigger. And when you're ground balancing this machine, you're not pumping it up and down. We're swinging it over this ferrite ring. The ferrite ring helps it adjust to the ground mineralization. Now when you see this check, it's ready to hunt. Okay, so we're going to get out of that mode. And now we're going to pop over here. And these are your different timings on here. Essentially deep, shallow, and we've got several different settings. We're going to open this up, and this technology is called zero voltage transmission, and we've got different settings here. We got high yield, we've got general, which is best for all different sizes of gold at all depths, and then we got deep. Now these settings are determined simply by the dirt, the material you're hunting in. And today we're going to be hunting in an area with a lot of small gold and shallow ground for the most part. I mean, the deepest stuff I'm dealing with in here is going to be around 18 inches or so. So we're going to go ahead and leave it in high yield. And now we're going to go down. The stock setting on the sensitivity is at 9. And if you listen, I think you can hear that. It's a little bit unstable. And I don't like it unstable. So we're going to open this up. You hear that? Seven's nice and smooth with no jumping around. So I'm not going to mistake false signals for targets. And I found this to be about the best setting for here. I was able to get it up to 8. But sensitivity on this thing's pretty important. And we're at 7 right now, so we're going to lock that in at 7. And the rest of these settings, this one here, here's your ground type. And again, you've got different settings. We've got difficult, normal, and severe. Go over here to normal and try the ground. You can hear a little bit of noise there, and I don't like that. And we're going to go ahead and run this in difficult. Okay. Anyway, we set it up in difficult. And the rest are volume settings and whatnot here, and pairing, and your threshold. Of course, you want the threshold where you can hear it. Pretty easy to adjust on this machine. Okay, you got auto. I'm sorry, I'm in the ground balance mode here. I pushed the wrong button. But anyway, we're in ground balance mode here. And I've got it in auto right now. I prefer manual sometimes, but in ground like this, I'm going to go ahead and leave it in auto because this machine does a very good job. Now, that doesn't mean I don't have to re-ground balance. It just means the machine is working with me. Okay, now we're going to go up here to threshold. That's where I meant to go the first time. Now we're at 53 on the threshold. So I can bring it up or take it down. Now I'm set up for headphones right now, so yeah, right around 51, 52 is good for me. And basically that's it to get started hunting here. I can go into some more detailed stuff later, but I just wanted to give you the quick turn it on and go settings. And that's how you set up for a new area. And it works real well for me. And we're going to go ahead and hunt here for a little while. And I'm going to see if I just can't get over a nugget. I'd really like to. We hunted for a little while yesterday and didn't get anything. Had a good day out in the sun. So anyway, here we go. We're going to try for some gold today. Well, I guess that's it for today. And hey, if you like these videos, remember to subscribe and like, and maybe make a comment and ring that bell so you don't miss anything. We got skunk today. Dug some deep holes for trash. And I got a little demonstration on the mighty GPZ 7000 for y'all. And I guess I'm going to call it a day. Go home, get home a little early today instead of showing up late and completely pooped out. Tammy stayed at camp, and Dixie and I were the only two out here today. So for right now, it's Nugget shooter out, my friends. See you next time.